Good morning children. Welcome to online classes. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 4, which is subtraction of numbers. In class 2 you may have learned, we have already learned the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with or without carrying. Okay, let's start. So children, this is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction. And difference means also subtraction. Okay, what is the meaning of difference? Difference also means subtraction. We have solved the many questions, find the difference of these questions, that means also subtraction. Okay, and leftover also means subtraction. Leftover also means subtraction. Leftover word we generally use while solving the word problems. Okay, word problems, find the difference or leftover, these words we generally use while solving our word problems. Okay, now start our exercise number 4.1. First exercise, which is exercise number 4.1. Okay, exercise number 4.1, which is in page number 36. What are the questions? Questions is subtract. When you will open your book, these questions, you can see that exercise number 4.1, questions from 1 to 21 you have to solve in your book. Okay, let's start by solving question number 1. Number 1 is 456 minus 234. Now, one thing you always remember while solving addition or subtraction, first we will write the place value of numbers. Okay, so first we will write the place value of these numbers: ones, tens, 100. Okay, now we will start solving the question from left to right, means from ones to 100 we will solve. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 3 is also 2, 4 minus 2 is also 2. So what is the answer? Our answer is 222. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 458 minus 379. Okay, remember always our first step will be we have to write the place value of the numbers. Okay, so what is the place value? Ones, tens and 100. Okay, so as you can see here, 9 is a greater number and 8 is a smaller number. We can't subtract 9 from 8. So we have to take carry from the next number. So we will take carry from 5. It will become 4 and it will become 18. So 9 minus 18 is 9. 4 from 4 we can't subtract 7. So again we have to take carry from here. It will become 3 and it will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer is 79. One more thing you have to remember while subtracting or adding, you have to write the numbers below the numbers. Okay, you can't write number like here. Suppose 8 minus 9, you can't write like here. You have to write the numbers below the numbers. Okay, here. Now moving on to our next question. Next question is 673 minus 289. Again, first we will write the place value of our number: ones, tens, 100. Then, now, as in this question also, 9 is a greater number and 3 is a smaller number. So we will take carry from here. We will take borrow from here. It will become 6. It will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is 11, 12, 13, 4. 6 minus 8 is also not possible. Again we have to take carry from here. It will become 5. It will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 2 will be 3. So what is our answer? 384. Now question number 4 is 709 9 minus 268. First we will write the place value of the digit. Okay, ones, tens, 100. So in ones place 9 is there and here 8 is there. Okay, so 9 minus 8 is 1. Here it is 0. We can't subtract 6 from 0. So we will take carry from here. It will become 6. This will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 2 will be 4. So our answer is 441. Now question number 5. I am solving here question number 5. Question number 5 is 345 minus 289. Okay, first we will write the place value of the digit, ones, tens, 100. Now 5 is a smaller number, 9 is a greater number. So again we will take carry from here. It will become 3. This will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus 8 is also not possible. So again we will take carry from here. It will become 2. This will become 13. So 13 minus 8 is 5. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is our question number 5. Now like this only you have to solve all the questions. Okay, now question number 6 is 378 minus 99. Okay, first we will write the place value, ones, tens, 100. 8 minus 9 is not possible. So again we will take carry from here. This will become 6. It will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 9 is also not possible. Here 2, here 16. 16 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Now you can see here below 2, no number is there. So we will write 2 as it is. So our answer is 279. So like this only you have to solve the rest of the questions. Okay. Now moving on to question number 22. That is a different question. Let's see how we will solve this. Now see here question number 22. Question number 22. From question number 22 you will solve this question in your copy. Okay. Question number 22, first part. 498 from 590. 498 from 590. As you can see here, it is written in words form. You have to convert into vertical form, into column form, then we will subtract. Okay. Now see, whenever we are solving the from questions, first we will write the second question because it is written here. This you will subtract this from this. So first you will write this question, then you have to subtract from this. Okay. Now first we will write the question, 590 from 498. First you write the place value of the numbers. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. You have to take carry from here. 0 from 0 we can't subtract 8. So we will take carry from here. It will become 8. This will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 9 is also not possible. So we will take carry from here. It will become 4 and this will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. When we are solving in the copy, after solving the question, we will write the answer as this. Question number 2. 748 from 900. See how we will subtract 748 from 900. As I have said in the first question, in from question we will write the second number first. So this is the solution. Okay. 900 we will write first minus 748. First step we will write the place value of the numbers, ones, tens, 100. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take carry from here. It will become 8, 9 and 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 7 is 1. So what is the answer? Answer is equals to 152. Moving on to our question number 3. Question number 3 is 20. Question number 3 is 546 from 971. We will write the second number first. 971 minus 546. First we will write the place value of the number, ones, tens, hundred. Okay. 1 from 1 we can't subtract 6, so we will take carry from here. It will become 6, this will become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4. So answer is equals to 425. Now question number 4 is 0 from 211. We have to subtract 0 from 211. Solution: 211 minus 0. Ones, tens, hundred. 1 minus 0 is 1. Below 1 no number is there, so we will write 1. Below 2 no number is there, we will write here 2. Answer is equals to 211. Okay, so this was your first exercise number 4.1. In 4.1 you have to solve question number 1 to question number 21 in your book, and question number 22 you will solve in your copy. Okay, now moving on to our next exercise or next topic, that is subtraction without borrowing. Now what do you mean by term borrowing or without borrowing? Borrowing or without borrowing. Borrowing means when we are taking carry from the other number. Borrowing means taking carry forwarded number. Without borrowing means not taking carry. Okay, this is the difference between both the two. Let's start our exercise number 4.2. Exercise number 4.2. Exercise number 4.2. This is in page number 38. First is subtract. This you have to solve in your book. This is your book work till question number 18. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is 6253 minus 5142. First we will write the place values, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now we will subtract. Okay, these questions are without borrowing. Okay, so this we will subtract directly. 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1. Question number 2, like this you have to solve. Okay, 6783 minus 3562. 1000, 100, tens, ones. Again we have to subtract this. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is our answer. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 4053 minus 2042. 1100 tens ones. Now we will subtract. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 4 1, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. Like this way you will solve the exercise book work. Okay, in this way you have to subtract the questions. Question number 4, let's see one or two more questions. 6782 minus 5431. 1100 tens ones. 2 minus 1 is 1, 8 minus 3 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1. So answer is 1351. Okay. Now number 5. 7656 minus 4324. First the place values 1100 tens and ones. 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. In this way you will solve the book work. Now we will solve question number 19. From question number 1 to 18 you will solve in your book. Like this way only you will solve. Now see question number 19. How we will solve question number 19. Question number 19 you will solve in your copy. Question number 19 is subtract and check your answer. Subtract and check your answer. See how we will solve this question. Subtract, we will subtract simply, and the new thing is how we will check your answer. Okay. First one is 4533 from 8759. This is our question number 1. This question we will solve in our copy. This is our copy work. Now first we will write the question. 8759 minus 4533. Then we will write the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now we will subtract simply. Okay. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. This is our answer. For checking, how we will check? For checking, in a simple word, we have to add the difference and smaller number to get the greater number. Okay, this is our greater number, this is smaller number, and this is the difference. So for checking, we will greater number, I am writing the short form. GR is the short form for greater NO is the short form of number. Greater number is equals to smaller number plus difference. Let's see. Okay, what is the greater number? Greater number is 8759 is equals to smaller number is 4533 plus what is the difference? Difference is 4226. So basically you have to add smaller number and difference to get the greater number. This is our rough work. In rough we will add 4533 plus 4226. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. So what we have got here? 8759 here, and here also 8759. Means LHS is equals to RHS. You will ask what is LHS and what is RHS. LHS is left hand side, RHS is right hand side. When both the sides are equal, so our question is correct. In this way you will check the question. Okay, first you will subtract, then you will, for checking you will write the formula. This is the formula for checking the number. Greater number is equals to smaller number plus difference. So first you will write the smaller number and then you will write the difference, then you will add both of them, and then you will got your answer. When these are not equal, when LHS is not equal to RHS, means your difference is wrong. Only then this question will be correct when your LHS will be equals to RHS, then only your difference will be correct. Okay, let's solve one more question. Question number 2. Now, question number 2 is 3428 from 5549. This question you have to find the difference and then you have to check the question. Okay, first you will write the question 5549 minus 3428. Then you will write the place value of the number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then you will subtract. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2. So for checking we will write here you can write this is the difference. After solving the question you will write here this is the difference, this is smaller number and this is the greater number. Okay, now for checking we will write here, or in copy you will write the below. For checking greater number is equals to smaller number plus difference. Okay, what is the greater number? Greater number is 5549 is equals to smaller number is 3428 plus difference is 2121. In rough you will add 3428 plus 2121. 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So here also we got the LHS is equals to RHS. So this question is also correct. LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is left hand side and RHS is right hand side. Okay. Now one more question we will solve here for checking. Subtract and check your answer. Question number 3. Question number 3. Number 3 is 4467 from 5897. Okay, so we will write the question here. 5897 minus 4467. First we will note down the question, then we will write the place values. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then we will subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the answer? 1430. For your convenience, you can write here, this is difference, smaller number, greater number. Okay, and for checking, we will write here, greater number is equals to smaller number plus difference. Okay, so what is our greater number? Greater number is 5897 is equals to smaller number is 4467 plus difference is 1430. In rough you will add, in rough work you will add 4467 plus 1430. 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is our answer? 5897. Here also 5897. Both the answers are same, both the sides. So we will write here, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, in this way you have to solve the question. You have to solve the exercise number 4.2 question number 1 to question number 18 in your book, and question number 19 you have to solve like this in your copy. Okay, thank you. We will meet in our next class.